Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a DIY on Salt Exfoliating Body Scrub. Now, if you're new here, you're welcome, and to my old subscribers, thank you so much for your love and support. I'm here to share the Salt body scrub because I have been using this body scrub for some time now, and the result is tremendous. In fact, salt contains minerals that can reduce inflammation. When mixed with oils, salt can replenish dry skin. An exfoliating salt scrub massages also and remove dead cells. Now quickly guys, here I have in my bowl all my ingredients already. I added into this mixture 1 tablespoon of olive oil, which is rich in vitamin E and contains antioxidants to help smoothen the skin. Then I'll be adding a tablespoon of my coconut oil to fight against anti-aging and helps to moisturize your skin naturally. You can never go wrong with coconut oil. You can use it for virtually everything: cooking, skin care, hair care. Here I have also my vitamin E oil to help give your skin that glow. For the ingredients guys, please check under the description box. I'll be leaving the ingredients and the measurements under the description box, please. This is a very good moisturizer for dry skin. I have added already 1 tablespoon to the mixture. Here's my main ingredients, which is Epsom salt. It contains minerals and calcium to help exfoliate your skin, removing those dead cells and allowing your lotion, moisturizing lotion or cream to absorb better. To the mixture, I've also added 1 tablespoon of my cinnamon powder, which is good for glowing the skin. Not forgetting my honey. All these ingredients are optional. You could pick 1 or 2 from these ingredients and add to it other essential oils of your choice. Also my DIY carrot oil, which can be used virtually for everything. I have added 1 tablespoon to the mixture. I have also added half tablespoon of alum powder. This doesn't only make your skin look beautiful, but helps you have a clearer skin and helps clear acne and blemishes in the skin. Then mix up all the ingredients in your bowl. So guys, this is what your scrub should look like. For the application, apply warm water all over your body to soften your skin. Then you can apply your scrub, your salt scrub, only in circular motion. This can be used 2 or 3 times a week to help give your skin that glow. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, click on the subscription button below. Love you all guys.